How to log in to Line app. So if you want to log into your Line app, then first of all open up your Line application. And once you've opened, now you can go for login option, which is on the bottom. But if you have not created your account, then you can go for sign up and you can create your account. But if you have already created, then tap on login. And here you can log in with your QR code if you have your old device. But if you don't have that, you can go for login with another method. And here you can log in with your phone number, or you can continue with your Apple, or you can also continue with your Google. So I'll be choosing the last option, which is Google. Now tap on continue with Google. And here you can choose an account. And once you've chosen your account, it will automatically take you to your account by simply tapping on login, which is on the bottom of your screen. This will migrate the account from your previous device. So if you want to restore your chat history, then you can simply tap on select account, and then you can select your Google account to restore your history. But if you don't want to restore it, then you can simply tap on skip this step and then tap on skip again, tap on continue, and it will sync your account data. And that's it. That's how you log into your Line app with your Google. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.